Alright, so here we go. This is going to be a tutorial to show you how to create the pegboard, and then go ahead and put the shapes, the circle and the square, and get them centered the best you could. So let's go ahead and start. So the first thing you're going to do is create a new standard IPT, and we're going to pick the XY plane when it comes up here. Shouldn't take this long. This is just waking up this morning. Alright, and don't forget, in order to get your work plane, you have to start a 2D sketch and select the XY plane to get your graph paper. And according to the directions, you need to create a rectangle that is 6 inches long. Don't forget, you can always hit your U cube to get your shape back, and this is supposed to be 0.75 inches. And the depth is going to be your extrusion, so go ahead and finish your sketch. I like to click my home tab and go to extrude and make sure it goes a distance of 3 inches. And now that you have created that, let's go ahead and create a sketch on this face. And I'm going to grab my pan tool, get it centered. And we want to do the circle first. So I'm going to go ahead and just put a circle in here. And it's supposed to be 1 inch in diameter, because that's the diameter of your peg. And once we finish that, you can go ahead and get out of your sketch tool, and we're going to go up to dimension. And we're going to dimension it from the center, so you get that little red dot to appear. And take your time with this. You click on it, and then you click to this line that turns red, and then you move your cursor up and you see you have dimensions there. And I believe that this is supposed to be 2 inches. And check it. And then the distance from top to the middle is supposed to be, I believe, 1.5. So click on the middle, go to the top. Oh, that didn't work. So we're going to exit out. Just try it again. Take your time. I didn't. That's why it didn't work. Click the middle. Click the top or bottom, doesn't matter. Get your dimensions. Let's change that to 1.5. And you're set. So now let's make the square over here. So we're going to go to the rectangle tool, and we're going to go ahead and draw a square, and let's dimension it. It's supposed to be 1 inch by 1 inch. And to this side, doesn't matter. So we have our 1 by 1 inch square. So we've got 3 inches here, and we want to center it. So we're going to have 1 inch of space down here and here. So you have to go to the side of the square for this one. So click it, and go to the top, click it, and bring that dimension over so you can see it. And, oh, I got lucky. I eyeballed it to 1 inch. So we're going to make sure that stays there. And then according to your directions, from the side, we're supposed to be, oops, didn't quite work, so we're going to get out of there. Go back to dimension. Click on the side, and go up. We're supposed to be at 1.5. And there you have it. We are done with our shapes. And once you're done with that, make sure you finish your sketch. And we want to extrude. And you have to click on both shapes because we have multiple shapes. And we don't want to go direction 1, so we want to go direction 2. You can access the direction either here in this extrude menu or over here, because Auto Inventor always offers more than one choice. So I'm just going to come up here, direction 2. And it defaults to 3. You only need to go 0.75. And go ahead and click OK. And you have a finished pegboard. And then, of course, if you want to color it, I'm going to make mine, I think, pink. So I'm going to select. Actually, I'm not going to select. Let's undo that. Select. Oops. We want our holes. I'm just going to go ahead and pick a material. Let's do pink. Oops, not nickel, pink. There we go. And we got a nice little pink pegboard. The next tutorial will be making the side.